At the heart of Stoicism lies the idea that mastering your inner self, perspective, and reactions can significantly influence the challenges you face in life. When it comes to relationships, this philosophy enables you to become the ultimate prize by fostering self-respect, emotional mastery, and an unwavering sense of self-worth. In this script, we'll delve into the Stoic approach to attracting women by transforming yourself into the kind of man who naturally inspires admiration and intrigue. Lesson 1: Mastering the Art of Detachment. To get any girl to chase you, even if she isn't initially interested, the first lesson is to master the art of detachment. In the context of Stoicism, detachment does not equate to apathy, rather, it signifies emotional independence. Many men make the mistake of placing their happiness and self-worth in the hands of the woman they desire, believing that her validation will fulfill them. When they don't receive it, their confidence takes a hit. Detachment teaches you that your worth isn't reliant on her attention or approval. Once you internalize this concept, you'll begin to radiate a calm, self-assured presence that naturally attracts women, whether they realize it or not. When you're not desperately seeking her validation, you disrupt the usual dynamic and create an air of intrigue. You become more than just another guy vying for her attention, you become the man who doesn't need it. Achieving true detachment isn't about feigning indifference, it involves genuine effort to reshape your mindset. You need to practice being content with who you are and where you are in life, regardless of external opinions. This involves engaging in activities that foster your sense of fulfillment, from personal growth to pursuing your passions. When you live purposefully beyond the chase, your vibe naturally shifts, and she will be drawn to your powerful aura of independence. Lesson 2: Cultivating emotional control. Another essential lesson in Stoicism is the importance of emotional control, which is crucial for self-discipline. Women possess a keen intuition for detecting emotional energy. If you're overly reactive, whether in excitement, frustration, or insecurity, you may come off as easily swayed. Conversely, men who maintain their composure in all situations exude a quiet confidence. Demonstrating emotional control indicates that you are a man who remains unshaken by external influences. This steadiness is vital when interacting with women. If she senses that you are not rattled by her attempts to test your patience, provoke jealousy, or play hard to get, she will find you both impressive and intriguing. This doesn't mean suppressing your feelings, it means managing them with grace. Even when she's distant or dismissive, responding with calm indifference instead of frustration makes her question why you aren't reacting like every other man she knows. To cultivate emotional control, practice observing your emotions without immediate reaction. Techniques like meditation, mindfulness, and journaling can help you develop awareness of your feelings without allowing them to dictate your actions. The more grounded you are emotionally, the more likely a woman will perceive you as a man in charge of himself, an incredibly attractive quality. Lesson 3: Building self-worth beyond validation. One of the most significant mistakes men often make is basing their self-worth on the amount of attention they receive from women. The Stoic perspective on relationships emphasizes that your value should stem from within. Women are naturally drawn to men who don't rely on their approval to feel good about themselves. When your self-worth is anchored in your character, achievements, and personal development, you radiate a quiet, unshakable confidence. Self-worth that originates internally is undeniably attractive. The moment you cease seeking validation from others, especially women, is when they begin to perceive you as more valuable. This dynamic occurs because humans are inherently inclined to pursue what seems unattainable. When you're not desperately vying for her attention, she starts to wonder what makes you different, and that curiosity often blossoms into attraction. To cultivate self-worth that isn't contingent on external validation, focus on your personal goals, health, and core values. Engage in activities that instill pride in who you are, whether it's advancing your career, acquiring new skills, or maintaining physical fitness. Surround yourself with a robust support system of friends and mentors who inspire growth. The more you invest in becoming the best version of yourself, the less you'll find yourself needing anyone else's approval, and paradoxically, the more you will attract others to you. Lesson 4: Mastering the Power of Silence and Mystery. Silence and mystery serve as powerful tools in the realm of attraction. Women are often captivated by men who don't divulge every detail about themselves right away. In contrast, many men tend to overshare or rush to impress women, thinking that providing more information will win their favor. However, Stoicism teaches us to value our words, be intentional about what we say, and understand that silence can often carry more weight than speech. Mystery keeps her intrigued. It invites her to fill in the gaps and wonder who you truly are beneath the surface. A man who is at ease with silence demonstrates confidence and shows that he doesn't require constant validation, reflecting an inner peace. By speaking less, you encourage her to engage more, to ask questions and seek your attention instead of the other way around. Creating an air of mystery doesn't imply playing games or withholding crucial information. Rather, it's about being selective in what you choose to share. Allow her to gradually discover different facets of your personality over time. This slow revelation gives her the sensation of peeling back the layers of an intriguing individual, which fosters deeper attraction. When you are comfortable with silence, you also exhibit emotional intelligence. A person who doesn't feel the need to fill every silence with chatter is often viewed as secure and self-assured. Lesson 5: Exuding purpose and direction. A man without a purpose lacks power. Women are instinctively attracted to men who have a clear direction in life. It's not about wealth or status, but about confidently walking a path of your own, regardless of who joins you along the way. In Stoic philosophy, living with purpose is all about aligning your actions with your values and principles. When you know what you stand for, where you're headed, and what you want from life, you automatically become more appealing. Women are naturally drawn to men who have their lives in order, who display ambition and drive. This doesn't mean you need to meet society's standards of success. Instead, it's about being passionate and relentless in pursuing your own vision. To embody this mindset, start by defining your values and long-term goals. Set personal and professional objectives and work toward them with consistency. When a woman sees that you're focused on your mission, she'll want to be part of your journey, chasing you as you chase your dreams. Adopting this approach will instantly set you apart from men who lack direction or focus too heavily on impressing women. Lesson 6: Demonstrating high-value social skills. The way you handle yourself in social situations is a powerful factor in how women perceive you. High-value social skills, such as confident communication, charisma, and the ability to command attention without demanding it, contribute to the aura of the ultimate prize. Women are drawn to men who carry themselves with ease and grace in any setting. According to Stoic principles, true confidence comes from within. You don't need to dominate conversations or be the loudest in the room to make an impression. Instead, focus on being a good listener, engaging people with meaningful questions, and offering thoughtful responses. This level of self-assurance shows that you are comfortable in your skin and have nothing to prove. Women are attracted to this kind of energy because it reflects maturity and emotional intelligence. To sharpen your social skills, put yourself in situations where you can practice being present and mindful during conversations. Make understanding the other person your goal, rather than trying to be understood. By mastering social cues, body language, and active listening, you'll create deeper connections not just with women, but with everyone in your social circle. Lesson 7: Knowing your boundaries. Setting boundaries is a vital part of establishing yourself as the ultimate prize. Many men hesitate to communicate their limits, often fearing it might push a woman away. However, Stoicism teaches that firm boundaries are a reflection of self-respect and integrity. When you are clear about what you will and will not accept, you naturally command respect, which women find undeniably attractive. Boundaries signal that you have standards and value your time, energy, and well-being. Whether it's avoiding unnecessary drama, refusing to let someone take advantage of your kindness, or standing by your own plans when she's being indecisive, boundaries give you an air of authority. Women respect men who respect themselves. To establish and maintain boundaries, start by identifying what's non-negotiable in your relationships. This might include how you spend your time or the level of respect you expect. Once you're clear on these points, communicate them calmly and assertively. You don't need to justify or explain. Stand firm, and you'll find that the right women will be drawn to the strength and self-respect you display. Lesson 8: Practicing patience and long-term thinking. Patience is rare, especially in relationships where instant results are often expected. Stoicism values patience and a long-term mindset. Rushing to win a woman's affection can lead to impulsive actions and emotions that turn her off. Practicing patience shows her that you're confident enough to let things develop naturally. Women sometimes test men to see how easily they're swayed or how quickly they might lose interest. By remaining patient and unbothered, you show her that you're not desperate for her attention. This patience signals self-control and maturity, qualities that are deeply attractive. Over time, your patience will make her see that you're a man worth pursuing, as you're interested in something lasting, not just momentary gratification. To nurture patience, remind yourself that the journey matters more than the outcome. Focus on your life goals and self-improvement, letting things with her progress at their own pace. By exercising patience, you not only build anticipation but also prove that you're not a man who rushes into things, especially not for quick validation. Lesson 9. Becoming the best version of yourself. At the core of getting any woman to chase you, even if she isn't initially interested, is the Stoic principle of self-mastery. Striving to become the best version of yourself is the ultimate goal not for her, but for you. By focusing on consistent self-improvement, you naturally become more attractive to women and those around you. The Stoic journey emphasizes growth, resilience, and wisdom. It's about knowing your strengths and weaknesses and continuously working on them. Women are drawn to men who never settle, who are always working to improve. When you embody this mindset, you become the ultimate prize, not because you're chasing her, but because you're pursuing a better version of yourself. This journey requires ongoing dedication. Invest in your physical, emotional, and intellectual growth. Take care of your health, build your skills, and seek wisdom. As you grow, you'll find that women are attracted to you for more than superficial reasons. They'll be drawn to a man of true substance. Conclusion. The secret to getting any girl to chase you lies in mastering yourself first. Through detachment, emotional control, self-worth, silence, purpose, boundaries, patience, and personal growth, you naturally position yourself as the ultimate prize. Women will be intrigued by a man who doesn't chase them but is focused on becoming his best self. In doing so, you won't just attract women, you'll attract the right kind of woman who values you for who you truly are.